Rickey's dictionary defines hanger as an agitated state of desperate famishment or acting like a damn psycho because you forgot to eat. My rideshare driver won't stop and get me Chinese food. You know what? I forgot to eat. What the hell is keto? Now I'm angry. This is Hanger Management with Rickey T. Hello, you guys. My name is Rickey Thompson, and what is good to eat? So one night, I was living my best life with my friends, having the best night ever. Then the night came to an end, and I decided to call a car to take me back home. Now, when I got into the car, I start to feel a little hangry. I'm starving. My stomach is growling. So I decided to ask my car to drop me off at a cute little Chinese place. And he literally told me that, I'm sorry, you don't pay me enough for that. So as soon as I got home, I took this hanger from the back seat to the kitchen. Today we're gonna make some vegetable chow mein. Since my rideshare driver did not stop and get me Chinese food, I'm hangry. So I decided to make a simple Chinese dish using some ingredients I found in my kitchen. I didn't have any Asian noodles and I only have spaghetti noodles, so we're gonna be doing that. Then I have, some vegetables, some seasoning, and some leftover soy sauce packages from when my rideshare driver did stop and get me Chinese food. He was a good driver. My pasta is almost done, so I'm going to drain it. This pot is very hot, so I'm gonna turn this off. Get me a towel to protect myself because I don't wanna burn myself. That's gonna make me even more angry. We are going to wait for our spaghetti to finish draining, but as we're waiting for that, we're gonna get on down to this sauce. We're gonna use 4 little glumps of this oyster flavored sauce. Gonna really coat that bottom. Beautiful, lovely. And after that, we are going to add some brown sugar for, some sweetness. Bam. We're gonna add some water. Then we're gonna add 2 packets of soy sauce. Oh, wow. We're going to grab our whisk and we're gonna just, mix it all up. Now that we're done with our sauce, we're going to chop up our vegetables. So we have some celery, very healthy, love that. Now here we go, we'll chop this on up. We're really getting into this. Then we're gonna chop up some bell pepper. Love that. Do you see this? We're gonna get rid of all this stuff because we do not want this in our bell pepper, so. And then we start to cut. When we cut these bell peppers, we're gonna go from top to bottom, just like that. We're gonna add some oil to the pan. Make sure you set it to medium, a really nice, cute heat. Add this oil, go. Now we're gonna add all these vegetables to the pan. I'm gonna grab my spatula and we're gonna give these vegetables a little stir, really shake them up. This smells so good. We're gonna wait for these vegetables to finish cooking and I'm going to prep some more vegetables. So we have our green onions. Let's get to cutting, all right. We're gonna shred a little bit of cabbage. Make sure you cut this horizontally, just like that. You know what? I'm hangry in this kitchen, so I'm gonna smash up some garlic. I feel a little bit better already. All you're gonna need is about 1 or 2 cloves. That's it. Now I'm gonna cut some. We're gonna peel this ginger because you don't want any skin on it. Oh my goodness, these vegetables, they smell amazing. So we're gonna add the rest of these vegetables into the pan. Throw these green onions in there. Some cabbage. This garlic. Now we're going to grate some ginger into the pan. Now we're just going to stir all these vegetables together. But you know what makes these vegetables even more amazing? Some sauce. So let's add that to the pan. Oh, I love that. I love that sound. We're cooking it up, baby. Yes. Oh my goodness, it smells like heaven. My hanger is slightly going away. I'm still mad. But you know, we're making food up in this kitchen, y'all. So while we wait for this to cook, I'm gonna go grab our noodles to finish this dish off. Right. We're just gonna throw it in there. Ah, yes. This looks delicious. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat. I think these are done, so I'm gonna turn off the heat. Time to add this chow mein into the bowl. Okay, you guys, I know what you're thinking. Rickey, are you gonna use these chopsticks? And the answer is no, because you know, they're just here for decorations, and I'm hangry, and I don't have time for that, so I'm gonna get myself a fork. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. That is amazing. That is amazing. I am no longer hangry, you know. I'm not really mad at my rideshare driver for not stopping because guess what? I can do this on my own. Well, that's it for me. And remember, peace, love, and here's what's good to eat.